How to fix GTA 5 Enhanced Rockstar Launcher crash on Epic Games. Welcome back to abruptly. If you are trying to launch the GTA 5 Enhanced Edition through Epic Games, but finding yourself stuck on the black Rockstar Launcher logo animation before it abruptly closes, you have come to the right place. Our technical team at abruptly has extensively investigated this specific crash, tested numerous variables, and developed a comprehensive troubleshooting guide to get you back into Los Santos. During our diagnostics, we noticed that while other titles like Red Dead Redemption 2 might launch perfectly fine, GTA 5 Enhanced stubbornly refuses to pass the initialization screen. We have systematically broken down every potential cause, from basic cache issues to advanced launcher alternatives, ensuring no stone is left unturned. Grab a cup of coffee, follow along with our detailed diagnostic steps, and let us resolve this frustrating launcher crash once and for all. Step 1. Verify Epic Games installation files. During our initial testing phase, we always begin with the integrity of the core game files. Sometimes, a micro-corruption during an update or installation can cause the Rockstar Launcher to fail its handshake with Epic Games. Open your Epic Games launcher, navigate to your library, and find your GTA 5 Enhanced installation. Click the 3 horizontal dots next to the game title, select Manage, and then hit Verify. Allow the system to scan all directories and replace any missing or damaged configuration files before attempting another launch. Step 2. Clear the Epic Games Webcache. Our analysis revealed that leftover temporary files often create severe conflicts between dual launcher setups. The Epic Games Webcache stores outdated session data that can prevent the Rockstar integration from triggering properly. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type %localappdata% and hit Enter. Locate the Epic Games Launcher folder, open the saved folder, and completely delete the Webcache folder. Restart your computer to force the launcher to generate fresh, uncorrupted session data. Step 3. Complete Rockstar Games Launcher reinstallation. abruptly's diagnostics show that the Rockstar Launcher itself is highly prone to silent registry errors that cause it to hang on the black logo animation. A standard uninstallation is not enough. You must perform a deep clean. Uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher through the Windows Control Panel, then manually navigate to your Documents folder and delete the entire Rockstar Games directory. Download the latest version directly from the official Rockstar website and run the installer with administrative privileges. Step 4. Social Club Backend Reset. The Social Club Background Service is responsible for authenticating your Epic Games license, and a failure here immediately triggers a silent crash. We found that manually resetting this service clears lingering authentication blocks. Navigate to your Program Files directory, locate the Rockstar Games folder, and delete the Social Club folder entirely. When you relaunch the game through Epic Games, the system will automatically download a fresh, uncorrupted version of the Social Club backend. Step 5. BattlEye Anti-Cheat Initialization. Recent updates to GTA 5 Enhanced heavily rely on the BattlEye anti-cheat system, and if this service fails to start, the game will instantly terminate at the logo screen. Our team ensured that manual installation of this service can bypass the initialization failure. Go to your main GTA 5 installation folder, locate the BattlEye directory, and run the Install BattlEye file as an administrator. Once completed, restart the Epic Games Launcher to ensure the service is properly registered in your system startup processes. Step 6. Fixing Windows Folder Access Permissions. A major red flag we encountered during our investigation was a silent, "You may not have permission to access" error hidden in the Windows event logs. This means the launcher lacks the critical read and write permissions required to modify its own temporary files. Right-click on both your GTA 5 installation folder and the Rockstar Games Launcher folder, then select Properties. Navigate to the Security tab, click Edit, and ensure that your primary Windows user profile has full control checked. Apply these settings to force Windows to grant total access. Step 7. Administrator Privileges and Compatibility Mode. Sometimes, the Epic Games Launcher and Rockstar Launcher attempt to execute commands at different system privilege levels, causing a fatal conflict. We tested running both executables with elevated privileges to bridge this gap. Locate the executable files for both Epic Games and the Rockstar Games Launcher. Right-click each one, go to Properties, select the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Step 8. Network DNS Flush and Reset. The Rockstar Launcher requires a flawless, uninterrupted connection to its authentication servers during that initial black logo animation. We discovered that stale DNS caches often route the launcher to outdated server IP addresses, resulting in a timeout crash. Open the Windows command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, followed by hitting Enter. Afterwards, type netwinsock reset and restart your machine to completely refresh your network routing tables. Step 9. Windows Defender and Firewall Exceptions. Security software frequently misidentifies the rapid file generation of dual launchers as a threat, silently terminating the Rockstar process. Our testing confirmed that whitelisting these applications prevents background interference. Open your Windows security settings, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, and select Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions, and manually add both the entire GTA 5 folder and the Rockstar Games Launcher folder to your exclusion list. Step 10. Visual C++ Redistributable Repair. The Rockstar Launcher is built on specific Microsoft Visual C++ libraries, and missing or corrupted redistributables are a primary cause of startup crashes. Tennabalter recommends repairing these core Windows components. Navigate to the official Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages for both x86 and x64 architectures. Run the installers and choose the repair option to overwrite any damaged system files critical for launcher operation. Step 11. Disabling full-screen optimizations. Windows 10 and 11 utilize a feature called full-screen optimizations that attempts to improve game performance, but it often violently conflicts with the Rockstar Launcher's rendering engine. We found that disabling this feature stabilizes the boot sequence. Right-click the GTA 5 executable file in your installation directory and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations, and click Apply. Step 12. Clean boot environment testing. Background applications, especially overlay software like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or proprietary peripheral software, can hook into the Rockstar Launcher and cause it to panic and close. We isolated this variable by performing a clean boot. Press the Windows key and R, type msconfig, and navigate to the Services tab. Check the box to hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable All. Restart your computer and try launching the game in the sterile environment to rule out third-party interference. Step 13. Updating graphics drivers and clearing shader cache. Outdated GPU drivers can fail to render the initial Rockstar animation sequence, leading to an immediate application hang. Our team verified that a clean driver installation eliminates rendering conflicts. Use Display Driver Uninstaller to completely wipe your current NVIDIA or AMD drivers from the system. Download the absolute latest driver suite directly from the manufacturer's website and select the Clean Install option during setup. Step 14. Checking storage drive health. If your game is installed on an older HDD or a failing SSD, read delays during the heavy initialization phase will cause the Rockstar Launcher to time out. We recommend running a deep diagnostic on your storage hardware. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type chkdsk/f/r on the drive where GTA 5 is installed. This process will locate and attempt to repair any bad sectors that might be preventing the launcher from reading critical startup files. Step 15. The ultimate fix implementing Heroic Games Launcher. After exhausting all traditional and advanced system repairs, our team utilized a definitive workaround that entirely bypasses the broken Epic Games integration. The ultimate solution is to transition your launch environment to the Heroic Games Launcher. Heroic Games Launcher is a powerful, open-source alternative that handles Epic Games authentication much more cleanly. Download the latest version of the Heroic Games Launcher from its official GitHub repository and install it on your system. Step 16. Configuring Heroic Launcher for Epic Games. Once Heroic is installed, you need to link your existing Epic Games account to authorize your ownership of GTA 5 Enhanced. Our testing showed that this direct API connection is far more stable than the native Epic client. Open the Heroic Games Launcher, navigate to the Login section, and select the Epic Games Store. Log in with your credentials, and the software will automatically detect your currently installed library and sync your licenses perfectly. Step 17. Launching GTA 5 Enhanced through Heroic. With your account linked, the final step is to execute the game through this new environment, effectively sidestepping the bugged Rockstar black logo screen. Tenabalta confirms this method consistently forces the game to launch flawlessly. Navigate to your library within the Heroic Games Launcher, locate GTA 5 Enhanced, and simply click play. The software will properly negotiate the Rockstar handshake, completely bypassing the silent crashes and access denied errors associated with the default Epic platform. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.